grade 1. Welcome to Math with Miss Jones. Today we're going to be learning about a few things and we even have a special guest. So I want to point out the new words that we're going to learn, and they are greater than. Can you say greater than? And less than. Can you say less than? And equal to. These are their symbols. Kind of looks like half of a triangle. And now it's facing that way. And then equal sign is like two lines on top of one another. So I think now it's time to introduce our special guest. Well, hello everybody, my name is Benny, and I'm an alligator, of course. I have sharp teeth. They're for chomping numbers. Really, Benny? Yeah, I love numbers. All kinds of numbers, but especially the big ones. Oh, so a number, if I had 15, and if I had the number 3, I guess you'd want to chomp one of those. Yeah, that 15. It's delicious. Oh, okay. What if we had the number 17 and the number 5? Well, of course, I came all the way from the bayou to be chomping numbers, and I want to chomp that number 17. So delicious. Oh, I'm glad you enjoyed it, Benny. So I have 2 more. These ones are kind of tricky. Let me put Benny down. So I have a 24 and a 26. Let's see, they both have 20. They have a 2 in the tens column. But in the ones column, this has a 4. This one has a 6. I'm so hungry, I'm ready to eat. Okay, Benny, give me that 26. Oh, there you go, Benny. So 26 is greater than 24. We put these, like this. There's our little Benny, our greater sign. And we read it like this. 26 is greater than 4. Let's see about 3 and 15. Here's 15 and 3. Again, we have, Benny's going to chomp that big number. 15 is greater than 3. The other one we have 17. And 5. And again, Benny has to go this way and chomp up the 17, so we read it 17 is greater than 5. So we did a lot of greater than. I think you guys are getting really good at this. What about less than? Less than probably means smaller, if greater than is bigger. So let's move the 26 and the 24 down. We're going to have the number 8 and the number 31. So Benny still will want to eat the bigger number. So put the 31 there and the 8 there. Now, will Benny be facing this way? Is that correct? 8 is greater than 31. Are 8 things bigger than 31? No way. Benny will want to eat the 31, so we have to turn him this way. Now you read this. 8 is less than 31. Like that. Less than. And we still have 26 is greater than 24. What about this guy? Equals. Well, if we have 2 of the same numbers, 51 and 51, they're the same. Benny's not going to choose either one because they're exactly the same, so we would say 51 equals 51. So let's look at all 3 of these again. We have 8 and 31. We need to see which is bigger. We know 31 things. It's definitely bigger, so Benny's gonna chomp, chomp, chomp the 31, and we read 8 is less than or smaller than 31. Let's look down here. 26 is the bigger one. The 6 in the ones column is more than the 4 in this one's column. So 26 is greater than 24. It's bigger. And these are the same. We can say equal. 51 equals 51, or is equal to 51. Let's look in the back. So I already drew some bennies, and I have some numbers here. See if you already can think, where should these numbers go? We have 7 and a 3. Well, Benny's facing this way, so he's going to eat the bigger number. 7 is definitely bigger than 3, so I will read this like this. 7 is greater than 3. What about 35 and 6? Well, the same thing. 35 goes there and 6 here. 35 is greater than 6. What about down here? So I have 12 and 4. Should the 12 go here? Benny's gonna eat the bigger number. 4 isn't the bigger number. So maybe the 4 should go first and then the 12. And I would read 4 is less than 12 because it's smaller. So I hope you enjoyed practicing this skill on Seesaw. And I hope you enjoyed learning from our friend Benny. Benny, would you like to say goodbye? Of course, I would like to say goodbye to all of my friends. Thank you for joining us today. Thank you, Benny. Thank you, Miss Jones. And I just need to get back to eating those big numbers. 31, 26. Yes, Benny, you're a very hungry alligator. All right, thank you, grade 1. Bye.